Well, have you ever been envious about somebody else's rose bush? Because if you have, what I'm going to do is show you how you can actually get one and actually take a cutting of it and grow it, and then I'll show you what the result is after a year. But before we start, just make sure that it hasn't got breeder's rights, because breeder's rights is a bit like a copyright, and it means that the grower that originally bred it has rights on it, so you're not allowed to propagate it yourself. So as long as it's an old rose, you shouldn't have any problems. Okay, so this particular rose here is living proof that you can, without grafting it, you can grow a rose bush from a cutting, because this is 5 years old and so it's put on plenty of growth. It's a climber. I'm going to use this one actually to take a couple of cuttings and show you how to do it. First of all, you don't want the soft bit at the end, so we'll cut that off. Then we're going to have this piece here as our cutting, so I'm just going to roughly cut that off, and then take another one that is similar, take off the end bit, and then just cut a piece about a foot or so long like that. And now we're going to go and insert that into some sand, and I'll show you what to do once you've got these pieces. So what I'm going to do is take these pieces that I've just cut off the bush. If you see me disappearing, it's because we've got a wasp nest about 50 yards away, which is quite active at the moment, so I might just shoot off if necessary. Okay, anyway, there's the piece, that's up, this is down. Take all of the leaves off all the way up as we go. I'm just cutting them right off to the stem, and I'm just going to leave a few at the top. There we go. Okay, now if you're going to do a load of these, what you want to do is actually cut the bottom square right up against a leaf joint, and then cut the top on a slant, so if you put them down you know which way's up. Okay, and it's as simple as that. There it is, cut nice and clean below a leaf joint with a pair of secateurs, and then just push it into a long pot at least halfway down its length. And I'll do one more. So nice clean cut bottom, slanting cut at the top so you know which is up, just a few leaves left so it feeds the plant, and then just poke it in. That's all you have to do, poke it in, press it down, water it, put it to one side. There we go. This is just to show you exactly what I was doing. This one here was exactly what I just showed you a year ago, and so a year later, there we go, there's your plant.